guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin. I haven't shot a proper YouTube vlog in so freaking long. Like I think the last time I shot a proper vlog was my Lakme Fashion Week was a proper vlog, but it was very impromptu. It was not really planned. And usse pehle the last proper vlog I shot was my vision board vlog, which was way back in December. It is currently April 5th, 420, and I have a lot of work to do. My whole room, and I mean the entire space I live in, has been a mess to the point where I can't even think straight. I am so embarrassed to even turn the camera around and show you what's going on in my room, because ये room में सिर्फ कल से guys, I promise, झाड़ू नहीं लगा है, पोछा नहीं लगा है, कुछ नहीं लगा है, and ये मेरा पूरा study table वाला section has been a mess. I literally feel like I'm going crazy living in this room because जगह ही नहीं है इस room में किसी भी चीज़ के लिए. Literally to the point कि मेरे stuffed toys इतने ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं कि मैं अपना कैमरा का जो बैटरी था मुझे वो चार्ज करना था, एंड मैं वो भी चार्ज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. उधर मेरा फ़ोन का चार्जर लगा हुआ है, इधर लाइट बल्ब लगा हुआ है, और वहाँ पे जगह ही नहीं है टू पुट माई चार्जर एंड लाइक कीप इट ओवर देयर. आई कांट डू दैट. So we need to fix that today. Your sign to drink some water. Now I know I look like a total egg. I am literally in my shorts and a gharga t-shirt. I'll tell you why. I don't really dress like this usually, but I needed to take a bath and today is a Sunday. So मैंने अभी YouTube video upload किया, which was the Lakme Fashion Week vlog. The thing is that if I change and then I go, like if I take a shower and come out and then clean, then I'm gonna feel dirty again and I'll have to shower again. Plus I have to wash my hair, so I don't really have the time to shower, dry my hair, tie them up and again go shower, because that is too time consuming and honestly a waste of time. Second of all, I need to get all of this done within 1 hour. Yes, I have exactly 1 hour to clean my entire room, and this video is going to be an April reset vlog. So I might even do things in bits and pieces. I really haven't planned it much, but करेंगे, कुछ तो करेंगे, पक्का करेंगे. This has been here for the longest time. This jacket I wore to the gym maybe 2-3 days ago, and I just hung it. And with my helper, like I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but if I don't tell her to do it, she will not do it. She'll basically just do what she's told to do to the T. Like if you want something even to be picked up, you need to tell her that like pick this up. I think it is very safe to say that I have cleaned up quite a bit. Like I can actually see the floor now, and it was bad. I think you saw it, and it was really bad. Abhi bhi I do have to clean this section of the room. It is still not done, and this chair, it is so messed up. It has like a towel. Oh. Hi guys, I am literally just charging my camera and talking because mere dono batteries are fully dead. So one is charging over there, another I'm just directly charging the camera. I really needed a break, and I went on Instagram galti se, and I just started scrolling, and I had been scrolling for 15-20 minutes and I didn't even realize it, which was so bad, and I don't want to do that and I want to stop doing that, but I'm just not able to stop doing that. So yeah, we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep showing up and we're gonna get this thing sorted. Other than that, my mom got made lassi banai hai, and she didn't want to have the entire glass, so there's half of it in the fridge and I can't really have a lot of sugar. I'm trying to cut down as much sugar as I can, so I'm just gonna get that half glass and finish it up. I just closed the curtains because बहुत ज़्यादा light आ रही थी, but this is आधा glass भी नहीं है, मैंने अभी realize किया है, so cheers. I wouldn't normally have lassi, but it really helps cool down my stomach, and मेरे जो boils और pimples होते हैं वो भी बहुत बार कम हो जाते हैं when I have lassi and like nimbu shot ये सब regular basis पे, because it helps cool down my body, and vitamin C is in nimbu, so there's that. Okay, I'm just blabbing at this point. I'm gonna shut up. guys, it is 2 days later and I couldn't film yesterday because I had this thing that I had to get to, so I had to go for outfit sourcing, which I did go, and those are my clothes. My room is again back to being a total mess, like not that bad, but it is still bad. That's fine, we'll fix that later. Right now, I just need to go hit the gym and I'm confused. I have two options. I can either go for legs or I can go for chest. Actually, I could even go for back because I haven't really done back. But I feel like I'm gonna choose chest, I would say. I would go for chest and triceps. There's not really much I can do in chest and tricep, but I'm still gonna go for chest and tricep. Anyhow, let's go. My bag is always ready. Everything is in it. I just need to put my extra battery in the bag so that I don't lose it or misplace it. I don't like this gym one bit. All the equipments are so confusing. I can't adjust the seat according to me, or even figure out the equipments, because they're like, you can do like 10 exercises from one equipment, which is very like a smart move and it's a good use of space. But personally, I've never really done that a lot, and I'm very used to the one equipment, maybe 2 exercises. So this is annoying, like a little annoying. Guys, what's up? It is a few days later and I haven't exactly planned what I want to do, but I do want to sort of like do a detan, I would say. And I have this one mask written. Now I don't know अगर उसके भी सारे ingredients घर पे है या नहीं, but we need to get that mask done. First of all, सबसे पहले मैं makeup उतारूंगी, उसके बाद we'll do that mask and then I'll like shave my hands. It's very bad, like I don't know if you can see it. It is pretty freaking bad and I am not liking it, and I haven't really shaved my hands in a week or so, I think. But overall we need to do that. And I also got this one matcha mask in PR and I really want to try it because it's from Clayco and I really like that brand. And then we'll end it up with skincare, and I then have to go meet a friend. So I'll be taking the car, which I'm by the way very nervous for because it's just like I've never actually taken the car out on my own. Like, do you get it? I've gone out, I'm very nervous because I've always gone out, but I've always gone out with friends. I've never really gone out alone. So there's that. Right now I feel like I'm just gonna keep my outfit on. I'm gonna keep wearing this, but before leaving I might change my top because I don't really want to wear this. I'll just figure the rest of it out. I also have to eat dinner and I need to do all of this in exactly 1.5 hours. That is a lot to do in 1.5 hours. So I think we should get started. Okay, so my mixture is ready. The thing is, I have never liked the smell of besan. I can handle everything else, but the smell of besan just makes me want to puke. So I recently got this from somewhere. I'm just gonna use this as sort of like a spatula. I don't know if it's called a spatula, honestly. And it's also my birthday month. So, birthday girl. My mom used to do this besan ka pack for me when I was a kid, but now I'm really regretting it. This is the remedy that ChatGPT gave me, by the way. So, if it doesn't work, it's on ChatGPT. The final look. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. The only reason I didn't put it here is because it would smell like right up my nose and I can't bear it. I will actually go crazy. Guys, you see me? How pretty? Look at this lady.
Super pretty.
Please.
Super pretty.
Please.
What please?
Please.
Birthday girl अभी नहीं है. Birthday girl 10 days.
मेरे को और कोई हेयर बैंड नहीं मिला. 9 days to go. 9 days to go. 9 days to go. Exactly 9 days later, she would have been giving birth, but she didn't know that. She thought बेचारी 23rd को देगी पापा के बर्थडे वाले दिन.
हाँ, I wanted that.
Okay, now it's actually time to take this off, and I need to sort of cover the white so that it doesn't ruin my t-shirt. Ignore the howling in the background. That's just my friend and my mom. They're like going crazy over something. But ठीक है, इसको निकालते कैसे मुझे बस ये नहीं पता. I think पानी से ही निकालना होता है, तो I'm gonna do that. So I was gonna go ahead and put the matcha mask, but I feel like it's not that necessary because I just put on such a good detan mask कि matcha wala will get a little over the top and it's just not useful right now. So maybe some other day. But right now I'm going in with these. This is the nose strip. I have barely used nose strips before, but we're gonna try with this one.
Hi.
That's Vedika.
गौरी can never have a peaceful video, तो हम आ जाते हैं उसे परेशान करने. एक और बंदर अभी आ रही है.
I was trying for an April reset, but ये reset नहीं हो रही हूँ मैं.
But how is your reset possible if
How
you
you
don't
sound?
have your supporters
अरे
next
wait
to
ना.
you?
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
You're looking fair from here, but you're looking black from here.
नहीं मैंने
It's
पूरे
become
पे
a
लगाया था.
patch.
I think यहाँ पे
देखना प्रॉपर एक लाइन बनी है जिसके
हाँ,
ऊपर तू
अभी-
काली और जिसके नीचे तू व्हाइट है.
How is that possible? मैंने बहुत अच्छे से डीटैन मास्क लगाया था, पूरे पे लगाया था. तूने देखा था?
I saw that, but मैं वही बोल रही थी कि ये पूरी लाइन है यहाँ तक है. Over here also see you're black up and white down. Oh my god.
What have I done? It's okay, अपने आप hopefully ये निकल जाएगा. Guys, 10 मिनट हो गए. मुझे लगता नहीं है ये ज़्यादा यूजफुल है. मुझे ना ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने थोड़ा गलत लगाया था ये.
नहीं गौरी जो तेरे को व्हाइट व्हाइट दिख रहा है वो सब आ गया है.
नहीं वो सब गंदा है. It's not this. But I know this is not the.
Remember how we said there is a third person involved also in our life. Dviti, say hi.
बहुत ही fake hi.
We do not leave Gauri alone. We absolutely love to sit on her head.
This is the last step. I'm gonna go in with this day sheet mask. रात हो रही है but हम ये day sheet mask करने वाले हैं. साथ में स्किन केयर कर रहे हैं हम. Okay, we're done. 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं. I feel so fresh. ये मैम का अभी तक मास्क लगा हुआ है. ये अभी तक उतनी भूत लग रही है.
Like, share, comment. You better do that for my friend, okay?
Okay guys, I am done with my whole April reset. I do have to clean these drawers, but I don't think I'll be able to vlog that since I have to post this video very freaking soon. So I'll have to end it right here, which I'm very sad to do.
Stay tuned till the 21st or 22nd April. All of us.
Like the Sunday that comes after my birthday.
Yes. We have something coming for you all.
Stay tuned. My birthday vlog is coming back, and we've already started shooting it, so I'm super excited.
But Gauri has
And they've
no
already started.
Gauri has
planning.
no absolute idea what's going to be happening.
Yeah,
with her.
obviously. But I will see you guys in that vlog, which is going to be super exciting. मुझे मेरा calendar खोलने दे, मेरे को बताने दो कि कब वो vlog post होगा, so that you guys can be a little more updated.
20th एक Monday है.
20th Monday. There will be a vlog coming out on the 19th of April, and the one after that, like 26th April, will be the day I post my birthday vlog, and I am super excited. I have no idea कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या planning plotting हो रही है, मुझे कोई idea नहीं है. But I hope you guys stay tuned and we will see you then. Bye.